Hello, dear kids. Today we will draw a cute ice cream. Let's start step by step. First, draw two big eyes.
Hickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Now draw a small smiling mouse.
The dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three.
Then, draw a big round scoop on the top.
Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory.
Below the scoop, draw a cone shape.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory
Wow, kids! Our ice cream shape is ready.
is a little
Now trace all the lines with a black marker,
tick tock, tick.
so the drawing looks neat and nice. Now let's color it. Fill yellow color in the cone.
Tick tock, hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Fill pink color in the scoop.